Good evening. Welcome to the 30th episode of Rachel Pilcher Writing Workshops Facebook Live. Thank you for joining me. I'm Rachel Pilcher. We'll get started in just a moment. I do want to announce quickly that my next workshop, the online workshop, Blogging for Beginners, is scheduled for Saturday, June 22nd. I finally got it up there. I'm very excited about that. It's from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. So for more information and to register, go to rachelpilcherwritingworkshops.com and check out the online workshop section. You'll find everything you need to know for that session. Tonight's going to be a little different. I had several topics planned for what I was going to talk about tonight, and one of them was going to be, because I was supposed to be on a trip that I was leaving on this morning, but it ended up getting canceled. So I decided, after several hours of contemplating exactly what I was going to talk about, that I would discuss tonight writing advice for when you can't write. That is a topic that is very dear to my heart right now. I can tell you that this past month in May has been one of those times where it has been extremely difficult for me to be able to actually get any writing done, to get any work on my business done. I was very lucky that, for those of you who follow the Facebook page frequently, you'll notice that every day I had stuff posting on it. So I had the quote, I had the daily challenge for May up, I had a birthday up, I had writing prompts up, and you might have noticed yesterday, whenever all that hit, the quote was on there. I didn't get any of the other stuff done, and I really had intended on getting that set up in advance. I do a lot of scheduling of posts in advance, so that whenever I do hit those days where I can't get something done, I don't have to freak out and go, oh, I didn't get anything posted today. So that really saved me there, but I am now 2 days behind on birthdays and on journals, writing prompts. So the month of May has been slightly crazy for me, and I know for many of you, you have months that are very similar to that. You have times where your personal life is extremely busy. Many of you have day jobs. I have a day job. That's what was keeping me incredibly busy, and it was just extremely difficult for me to be able to sit down, work on what I needed to work on, and I even struggled being able to get my journaling, my morning journaling that I do every day. I struggled to get that done. So, it happens. And the piece of advice that I really want to give everyone is, don't freak out when that happens. If you're anything like me, your mind is going a mile a second. I was going to say a mile a minute, but I know my brain goes faster than that even. So being able to get your work done, all I could do this month was concentrate on getting all of the laptops collected at school, prepping to get the laptops collected at school. I know the last time I talked to y'all was on the 19th of May, and I had just started the collection. And, it was just one of those things where all of the craziness that could collide with collecting the laptops, the end of school, getting all the books back to the library, was just a very daunting task, and I was able to get it done. Our last day of school with students was on Friday, and our last day officially with teachers is on Monday. So I'm hoping to definitely be able to get everything back in line between Tuesday, and because I am a glutton for punishment, I signed up for summer school, so I will be doing summer school as well as a librarian. So I'm hoping to get all of that together, but that also means I need to be highly organized so I can get my professional work done, my writing stuff done, my business stuff done, and be able to, do the things that people who have homes and need to work in their yards and all of that, be able to get that done as well. So one of the things that I can tell you, like I said, don't freak out if you miss some of your writing time because you're busy doing other things, because life gets in the way all the time. what you need to do is to guarantee that at some point you do get back on track. So I'm looking at Tuesday being able to get back on track and get back into my regular routines, and then have a couple of days between the end of school and the start of summer school. I am going to be summer school librarian, which I think I'm going to have a lot more time though on my hands than I do. I'm only going to have at the maximum 500 students, whereas on my daily campus I have 1,800 that I service. So it's going to be a little easier, I think. But the other thing that I've been struggling with on that's been keeping me busy at home is when it's sunny, I need to be outside and working in the yard. We've had so much rain that I haven't been able to really get all of the yard work done. I got seeds out really late. I got everything late. So it's been nice on and off. So I've been able to get out there and do that, but it does cut into my writing. So you have to prioritize, figure out what's going to work for you. I do keep thinking about things. I have several stories that I'm working on that I've jotted ideas down. I even have some business stuff that if I am able to get everything done for summer school, I'm definitely going to be building and working on my business. And so you'll see a lot more exciting things coming along for Rachel Pilcher Writing Workshops in the very near future. I'm hoping by the end of July. I do also have a conference that I'm going to be speaking at the end of July, and as soon as all that information goes live, I will put that up there. So my main advice for tonight, hang in there. You can do it. Just get through whatever it is that is blocking you. And people say all the time, there's no such thing as writer's block. In a way, I kind of agree with that. But my mind's always working, so technically I'm not blocked. I don't ever really sit down at the computer and have nothing to do. It's the getting to the computer. So maybe my life is blocking my writing at this time. So that could be happening to you as well. And if it is, just try to make some time to get to it. And you can go slowly at adding it back into your life, because I know it's one of those things, it takes a certain amount of time to develop a habit. And if you get out of a habit, it takes a while to get back into that habit. So I encourage you to work towards getting back into that habit. Don't give up. Don't be down on yourself, because that's going to be something that will keep you down more than anything, is if you are talking badly to yourself about, oh, I didn't write anything today, I must suck, I must be a horrible person. No, you're not. You don't suck. You're not a horrible person. You just didn't get your writing done today. That's all there is. So I hope that this information that I've provided you today was helpful. Today was just a cheerleading moment for me to say, you can do it, you can get this done. I have every faith in you that you'll be able to do this. So if you found this information helpful, be sure to click like right down there. And feel free to share this video with others who you feel could benefit from my words of advice. Also, if there's a topic that you would like for me to discuss in the future, feel free to either mention it in the comments here, or message me via the Rachel Pilcher Writing Workshops page, or email me at rachel@rachelpilcher.com, and I will glad to add that to my selection. So definitely feel free to do that. I look forward to talking to y'all again. Thank you for joining me tonight. Join me in 2 weeks on Sunday, June the 16th, right here on Rachel Pilcher Writing Workshops Facebook page for another writerly discussion. Thank you.